Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuums, where we take repair very seriously. I wanted to show you our back room here in our working environment in terms of when you bring a vacuum to us for service, what we do. The first step is we strip the machine completely down, like you see it here, and we sanitize and wash everything. You see everything's very clean, there's no dirt anywhere. And we do this with a commercial dishwasher is how we do this. And that sanitizes. It also tends to give the plastic a little bit more of its moisture back, and in this dry climate that makes a big difference. We have here a Miele that came in for service, so we're going to start putting it back together, and I'm just going to let you watch why we work, give you a little insight into our company and kind of our philosophy. We expect everything to be organized, clean, and do the job right the first time. After everything is assembled, we then hand torque all the screws with PB Swiss screwdrivers. These are precise screwdrivers, and they also work as a torque wrench as well. You can actually feel when things are torqued properly. That's really important, especially when we're working on some of the newer machines that have these plastic casings. You don't want to over torque those screws. So that's the first thing you should probably look at on somebody's bench. The next thing, of course, is we only use genuine parts, and genuine parts are really important, especially with machines like a Miele. So you can expect a new bag and a new filter when you bring our machine in. We also stock plenty of parts. This one's kind of rough, so we're going to go ahead and clean it up. Machine's been cleaned up a little bit. Next, we just want to test, make sure the repair and everything is working for the customer. Everything is good to go. It's at this point we put our sticker on it. We do this for a couple of reasons. One, we want the customer to contact us if they need anything. We stand by our work for 30 days, and a lot of times these machines, the manufacturer insures the part for a little longer. So if they have any problems or anything arises, we want them to call us right away so we can take care of the customer. The other thing is, in the future, you know where you went, and we take pride in our work. You'll notice our surgery tray and our magnet is empty. We always make sure that we turn everything back to the customer. Having an empty magnet tray ensures all the screws get put in. Again, it's one of those service touches. It seems simple, but it really makes a difference, especially when you work on as many makes and models as we do. One last thing to do on this, which is we actually use a vacuum-specific polish, and we're going to actually clean this up a little bit and work this in with the microfiber. I hope this has given you good insight into our service department here at Performance Vacuum and the pride that we put in our work. If you're looking to have your vacuum serviced, go ahead and check the link below. We'll have all of our contact information down there. And have a great day, folks.